So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share comments on YouTube. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the reels of your YouTube. Now you should have to tap on comment icon which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Now you will found the comments available here. Then you should have to tap on three dot which is near your comment on the right side of the screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see the option of share. So again tap on it. Then you can simply see the option of copy link, quick share or any other platform. So I'm directly tapping on WhatsApp. And now I'll send it to myself, and you should have to tap on green icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now see, we have successfully shared comments from YouTube to WhatsApp, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.